Why do you always knock on a refrigerator door? There might be a salad dressing. Today's auction is an absolute delinquent storage unit auction. It is a cash-only auction. There is a 10% buyer's premium added to the hammer price and a $50 refundable deposit.
With this one.
Hey, welcome to Avery's All In. This is Roy Avery,
Columbus for one.
and we're going to look at some units today.
What'd he go for?
What siding cost now?
I think was it a 10 by 25?
20 or so.
Okay.
Now, I love a lot of totes. This had a lot of totes. Unfortunately, we had a lot of things going on, so I didn't have time to move it. But this is a unit that I would have taken a stab at had I had the time to move it.
Okay. So you got a boatload of tubs, boxes, books,
VHS.
That's all baby clothes. That's why I don't worry about it. Like, see, that's all paper stuff. More baby clothes up there.
Yeah.
That's all I don't worry about.
Actually, I sent out a boatload of flyers. And it's, well, you know, it's worth it for me to spend I bought all those stamps. I bought for like $20, and I've it said mail being what, 64 cents now. It's cost me about 20 cents to mail them because nobody wanted the stamps, so I was using them as postage.
Right there. I want to sell necklaces.
Hey, let's keep moving
So I
along.
see a
Let everybody
washer.
get a look.
What you do is this, if you go on eBay, you know you can buy it by the pound.
This would have been a quick clean out, but there's a love seat in there.
You make too much money.
Not enough totes for me to dig through or boxes. Not much in here.
It says toys in it. But I can't see what it says on top.
Checking out your office.
So those are about frames back there too?
They almost look like
Those look like shoes.
that
They
expensive.
could be.
Yeah, so I'm going to have to pass.
Looks like.
Looks like it's for a bed to me.
Yeah.
Like a platform bed.
Yep. Clothes.
But there's gold right there, Tim.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I know this kind of stuff sells wheelchairs, ambulatory walkers, but just not my wheelhouse. I'm going to pass on this one too.
Like disabled or amputee. Yeah, 290.
Sold $290. Next look in. 843.
Man, it won't be me.
Yeah, pass. All it is a sofa.
Not into the furniture.
Sold $5.
I kind of like this one a little bit. Little
That.
idea of a treasure hunt. You got bags with clothes.
See, clothes, mattress, a tree.
Mattresses, though, I mean, not bad. It's a twin size. I could toss it
I
out,
could get this
but
for $100.
Bill. Put it 50, put it 50, put it 50.
What's the cleanest mattress I've seen
I
in
got
the
25 now 30.
You know?
What is that? The drawers to this?
35 now 40.
Is that what that
40
is?
and 45, 35, 45.
Look at all the totes.
45 now 50. I got 50 and 60.
Oh, my bad. All the
The
right there.
bags there.
70.
Yeah.
What's in that big box
No?
on that sticker? I can't
No.
read it.
Which one
I
over
got
here?
60, need 65
can't
one
see.
time. 65 now 70.
It's a bunk bed.
Got 65 here, need 70. Anybody else? She said yes. 70 now 75. 75 and 80.
I just
80 and 90.
not excited
90
about
and
it.
100.
No.
95. I got 90 here.
That
need
game
95.
system is
Anybody
a-
else?
surprised you're
I
not
got
getting
90
on
D
it.
95. 95 now 100.
KT.
I got 100 110.
What is that?
110.
Vacuum?
110 120.
That game system
Yeah, you
right
wore
there.
it out. I got 110. I need 120.
That's a
Anybody
bunk
else?
bed right there, though.
I got 110.
I'm not
need
sure if
120. Anybody
anything's in
else?
it, though.
Last call.
That box is empty. Because that bag
So
underneath it would be.
$110 bidder number.
That's really a bunk
Now-
bed in there.
16.
That's the bunk bed right
16,
there.
Rod.
That
Part of it.
bed in the back has got the holes in the bottom.
B48, it's a
All right,
10
what
by
do we have?
15. Quickly, get your
That's
eyes looks in.
interesting. Miller boxes.
On a unit like that, who's going to give me a $50 bill to get me going?
A lot of boxes in this
I'm
one.
not 25. I get 25 now.
It is kind of interesting, but I'm noticing the boxes are kind of tossed a little bit.
45 now 50, 50 and 60, 60 and 70 and 80.
Unit kind of is a mess. Somebody probably dug through it, grabbed everything they kind of wanted to get.
130,
I'm surprised
140,
Chris isn't
150,
buying it.
He's thinking about it.
I know.
150,
He loves the
160,
clothes.
160,
DC
170,
comic books? No, I'm sorry.
170, 180, and 190.
If that was the case, Rob would be all
Well,
over
there is
it.
that DC
190,
Bama in there, you
200.
know. So it could be
True,
I got
true.
200, 210. 210, 220, 230.
I'm gonna have to pass. It's only me. I didn't have Lisa's help and
Game system in
had a
here,
couple
it's
other
not
things that we
I got
really need to
240, I
get to.
need
So
250.
Got Barbie.
trying to be selective at what I did get. It needed to be a knockout or a quick
245
clean
now
out.
250. It's only
See
5
any
bucks
good
more.
toys in there?
Nope.
You sure? I got 245. I need 250.
I ended up passing on this one.
It's got Molly in it.
245 need
We'd all be
250.
rolling out of here.
Last call.
There's 4 cakes in there, so that's probably $200.
Is that an opening bid?
No. If they're full, maybe.
Hey, look at those golf clubs. What brand is those irons? Can you see? I see XP. That's all I can see.
Yeah, that's all I can see.
These are one unit. It's just
Good
two
thing is
doors.
that right there.
Ortiz.
I do even know. Yeah, no, it was the Wall Street.
And then once we get up that way,
A nice little one, Roy. Lisa can't get mad at you for that one.
common owner. Common owner.
Let's see.
I got another bad good eye strong again.
Economy, Hill Protector. Small tube.
So at this point, I've been reorganizing the warehouse, and we've been very cautious at what we bring in. Not that we couldn't get a small unit like this, but since we haven't got it organized and straightened out the way we want it yet, we had to pass on this one too. So we're really looking for, at this point, that one that's really talking to us, and this one wasn't.
$5 unit.
Ladders, tools, jacks. Money in
Now this one I really did like. Tools, pocket bikes, ladders. I mean, this looked like somebody's workshop. You got the compound bow.
That's a heavy duty jack.
Wow. Just going back through this footage and looking at it, you know, there's some good stuff in here. Probably the difficult part to this would have been too much stuff not in totes and boxes, so it would have taken me a couple trips. But that jar had some change and some money in it, so I knew it was kind of going to go higher than I really wanted to spend. But this was a good unit.
It could be folded. What are you saying? It's about $35 bill?
Maybe $37.50.
As long as there's more than 50% there.
The big question is what's in those cabinets?
Keep all my pistols in there.
Oh, I just seen the golf clubs.
Yeah, you can take that $5 bill to the bank. You got more than
Let's
50%
everybody
there.
get a look. Come
What
on.
about the $50 bill behind it? Yeah, parts of one. I don't see a wheel on it.
There's another pocket bike
That's
back
what I
there.
was looking at. That's exactly what I was looking at.
Definitely somebody's haunted house. Holy moly.
Oh, I smell cat in here.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. I'm done. Looks nice, but
Thing is, this wings are so good.
Are we ready?
I don't smell it.
oh, I do.
Unit 517, 10 by 15, Halloween, and all kinds of stuff.
Oh, there's the.
On a unit like that, who's going to give me $100 bill to get started?
Go
Who's
for
going to
it.
give me $100 bill?
No way.
Give it 100. I got 100, not 125. I got it. Yep, doesn't help me. I need 125, 150, 150, 175, 175 now 200, 200 and 225,
Wow.
225
Yeah.
now 250, 250.
They're gonna be like, oh my God, there's drums. Let's give them $1,000.
Right. And a lot of times you gotta replace the lids on them.
The lids look good.
Is it?
You can add to your collection.
Hey, yes.
That's the weirdest chair I've ever seen.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's like
Is it dentist? Is it a home dentist?
Little barbershop chair. This actually intrigued me, this unit here.
maybe it's a portable cat.
Electric lawnmower, I think that was.
I would say that's a tattoo chair.
That is a top of a hundred.
You're right there.
Golf clubs. Yeah.
Right here, maybe?
No, this is an awesome speaker unit.
They say that's what seems to
Have the power washer back there.
That is a Christmas tree.
Yeah, what ended up happening was it went a little bit higher than I wanted it to, and KT Treasures wanted it more than me. And the issue I have with like the power washers or things like that is a lot of times it doesn't work, and then I'm giving it away for pennies because I don't really have time to work on small engines, and I don't have somebody to do it for me. So
Golf in the
I
bag.
think it does say burner on that one there.
Yeah.
One more after this. 330.
yeah, that was it right there. That big cat litter box or whatever was used in that box, but
It's a 5 by 10.
definitely was for an animal of some sort.
No. One more after this.
I know people don't look at that, but you know, sometimes it's hard to sell stuff when it has an odor. So, therefore, I don't risk it.
But both places you'll see Painesville, there's 2 facilities, and there's one more. And then next Tuesday in Cleveland. We got one more unit after this. And for me, for storage units, April 15th, just around the corner at Merriman Valley.
And last but not least, this was the final unit of the day.
There is a shovel in there.
I like the stove and the dishwasher there. Refrigerator could sell, but that really was kind of all there was in this unit that was worth bidding on. Hey, thanks for tuning in and subscribe for more.
Holster for one of those.
Till the next time.